Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received December's Goddess Provisions. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I just received Goddess Provisions for December. I normally get this like my very first box of the month, but it's sat MIA for over a week without any movement, and then now here it is. So better late than never. Let's go ahead and see what is going to be in the December box. You open it up, and of course, where else is the card? On the bottom. So let's dump this stuff out to get to the card right there. So the theme is you are safe. So that is what the artwork looks like on the front of the card. In here, we'll go over the items that are inside with the pricing and if they're not from Goddess Provisions, where they come from or where you can purchase them. And this month's monthly mantra is I cherish my energy and nurture my aura. And that's all inside of here. So let's go ahead and see what we have. The first item is right here. Very pretty colors. I like the ombre from like a lavender to purple to the teal green. And this looks like, oh, is this like a passport book? Let's see. It says Goddess Provisions card wallet. Keep your personal belongings safe with this vegan leather wallet. Each time you touch it, let the magical symbols remind you to check in and let go of energies that are not yours to carry. And it's valued for $22. I don't know if I would use this as a card wallet. I think I might use this if I ever one day get a passport and use it for like my passport wallet, because that is actually super cute. And it does have these, there you go. You can see like there's a moon, there's some stars, there's the hand, and that's on the front of it too. And it does have the Goddess Provisions logo right there, but that is super, super pretty. There you go. You can see the images now. It's just like embedded inside. That is super pretty. And then on the inside, you do have two bigger pockets here, and then the small ones here, and then one here. Oh, and then there's two little guys. What goes in there? What is so little to fit inside those two? But that is really cute. Here is a wallet or a passport holder, and that's valued for $22. Next, it says that it's a sticker. There's that guy. This is a Goddess Provisions shungite sticker. Known as the Miracle Stone, it is revealed for its mysterious powers. Stick it near electronics to ground and protect your aura from negative vibrations. Ooh, that's cool. Put it near electronics. Things that boom around can help take out the negative energy. That's cool. I like that. And I like that it's a sticker, so then you can just stick it anywhere or set it anywhere. And it says the energy of this mantra: I am protected, I am safe, I am grounded. And it says that right there on the back. $9 retail value. Okay. So now we have, it says Aroma Stick Natural Inhaler Balancing, a harmonizing scent to help you maintain inner balance. So it looks like it would have been one of two. It would have been a calm or a balance. I got the balance. Either one would be valued at $9.50. And it says for an auric cleanse, use this aromatherapy inhaler and breathe deeply to reconnect to your center. It'll be a surprise to see if you get calm or balance blend. I got balance. So then opened up, that's what it looks like. And then you just twist this up and you inhale in there. I was thinking once I saw this purple, I was gonna smell good old lavender. But it smells more of like a peppermint. But yeah, you inhale that and you inhale the good shit and exhale the bullshit. So again, you have the Balance Inhaler, and that's valued for $9.50. Now we have is this book right here. It says Understanding Auras. your handbook to seeing, reading, and protecting your aura. That is super cool. I'm really glad that we have this in here because I would definitely love to read and learn more about it. So I'm glad that we have this. And it says, Zend Out's Guide to Understanding Auras. This handy guidebook will help you learn to see, read, and protect your auras so you can feel more vibrant and in tune with your needs and the needs of others. And this is valued at $12. It says you can use coupon ZenGoddess11. So ZenGoddess11 will save 11% off at zendout.com. ZenNEDOUT.com. And that is really cool. So you have this, this handy dandy little book. And I like that it's small and compact so you can take it around with you or stick it somewhere. At least it's a small compact book. And I like all the colors on there too. So I can't wait to read that and learn some more about our aura. So now we have something in here. And this is what was rolled up in there. It's a moon cycle for 2021. So that is really neat. You can keep track of all of the different moon phases. So it goes January through December and the 1st through the 31st for the entire calendar. So you can keep track of the moon cycles. That's so cool. And I like the colors. I mean, I wish this wasn't pink and it was like a blue, but I think that is super pretty. I like the artwork on there. So this right here says Seed of Creation 2021 Moon Calendar. Hang this lunar calendar in your sacred space so you'll know when to turn inward and when to shine based on the moon's energy. Handmade in Bali with organic cotton and crystal infused ink. And this is a $25 value. You can use coupon code MOONLIGHT at seedofcreation.com for 33% off. But that is super pretty, you guys. And it has Goddess Provisions actual logo on there as well. So cool. So we have that and a really nice compact one little thing to keep track of all of the moon cycles through the whole entire year. That's cool. So then now there's still 2 more items, you guys. There's one down in here. So it says it's 100% pure essential oil and it says immunity blend. Sonia's Shield. So there's the packaging without the plastic on there. And this one says, boost your immunity with this vitalizing blend of antibacterial and antiviral oils. The scent of clove bud, cassia, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus will wrap you in warmth during the cold season. This is valued for $12. You can use coupon code GODDESS to save 20% off at SAVHERA.com. This bottle transforms the lives of human trafficking survivors. That's awesome if that company actually like donates to help with human trafficking. That's what it says on the bottle. But it just says it's a roll-on. So a roll-on blend. Let's see what it smells like. That's what the roller ball looks like. Ooh, I'm definitely picking up cloves. Yes, that definitely smells like cloves. I don't know what it's intended for though. I mean, I guess just to roll around smelling like cloves. It just says immunity blend. So you're gonna smell like cloves and a whole lot of cloves. Yes, whew, that's strong. Okay, so you have a clove roller on a ball. There's other things too, but clove is like the most dominant thing that I'm smelling right now. So then the last thing is going to be the crystal. With this box, you always get 1 crystal every month. And this is it. This is a snowflake, oh gosh, obsidian? I'm not quite sure. And it says, just like a snowflake, your energetic signature is definitely unique. Work with this purity stone when you need to clear out clutter and rest your body, mind, and spirit to their native state. And it's a $4 value. Oops. Okay. So again, there's the back of it. And there's the top. So that's a $4 value. Then the last thing in here that is actually a part of the box, but it's not an actual product to show you, it is the digital bonus. They always give you a digital bonus on the bottom. This one is a value of $10. It says Introduction to Auras. Access this quick tip guide and printable color chart to begin reading auras. So like when there are printable charts and stuff like that, I'll go in and I will use the digital bonus and I'll print them out. I don't really check all of them out, but if it is something that is like a printable book or guide or anything like that, I always utilize that. And then I just put it like in a little cover book type thing with a little, and I store them and I keep them. So it shows you how to download it and then you can print it out if you would like, but that is a $10 value. So the total for my box monthly retail value, including the $10 digital bonus, will be right here. This will be the grand total of all of the items added up for this month. So a quick recap, we have the monthly crystal right here. We have an inhaler. We have a 2021 moon cycle, which that's awesome. We have an Understanding Auras book, which I'm super excited about that. You have this sticker that you can put anywhere. And then I'm really excited to use this as a future passport book because that's so me with the colors and I absolutely adore that. And then we have this thing to smell just like cloves. If you want to smell like cloves to balance yourself out. So in this one, I'm super, super excited for these items right here. This inhaler is a cool thing to have as well. And yeah, so I think they did pretty good for this box. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that they chose this month? What do you think? Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.